Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh viewers. My name is Qari Muhammad Hamza and I welcome you to our new video as well as to our YouTube channel Qari for Kids. Just as we studied lesson number 1 in the previous video, today in this video we will cover heavy letter, soft letters, letters, pronouns with the lips, and whistling letters. Heavy letters are those whose pronunciation is heavy or emphatic, and for these letters, the tongue needs to be slightly raised. These letters are pronounced from the upper part of the tongue, the throat, or upwards. There are a total of 7 heavy letters. So first letter is swad, swad, swad. The swad, the front part of the tongue rises up. The sound is heavy and emphatic. Next letter is wad, wad, wad. The edges of the tongue and teeth come together and rise up. The sound is heavy and emphatic. Zod, zod. Next letter is pon, pon, pon. The front part of the tongue touches upwards. It is pronounced in a heavy manner like pon, pon. So next letter is von, von. The front part of the tongue touches under the upper teeth and is pronounced with a heavy sound like von, von. I hope you properly understand. Next letter is ho, ho, ho. Ho, it is pronounced from the lower part of the throat with a heavy sound. Ho, ho, ho. Next letter is ghain, ghain, ghain. It is pronounced from the middle of the throat with emphasis and a heavy manner. Ghain, ghain. Next letter is qaf, qaf, qaf. It is pronounced from the upper part of the throat where the back part of the tongue meets the upper throat. Qaf, qaf. So I hope you very well understand these bold letters: swad, zod, to, zo, kha, ghain, qaf. So these are the heavy letters. Now let's learn about the soft letters. Soft letters. There are three soft letters. First letter is fa. 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 The front part of the tongue touches just below or between the upper two front teeth. Fa. It is a light and soft letters. Next letter is the. The front part of the tongue is pronounced from between the upper front teeth, like the. Next letter is the. The. The front part of the tongue is at the tip of the upper front teeth, but its pronunciation has a special heavy sound. Summary of the three letters: Tha, light and soft like the English Tha in think, and Dhal, medium, the front part of the tongue and upper teeth like the English Dhal in this. Dha, heavy and emphatic like a heavy. Dhal, dha. I hope you understand. And next letter is letters pronounced with the lips. These are the letters that are pronounced through the lips. First letter is ba. 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 Pronounced by bringing the lips together. Ba. Next letter is me. 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 Meme pronounced by bringing the lips together. Next letter is wow. Wow. Pronounced with the help of the lips, but the lips are not completely closed. Wow. Next letter is fa. Fa. The upper tooth touches the lower tip. Fa. Fa. I hope you understand. Whistling letters. These are the letters that sound like a whistle when pronounced. First letter is sing. 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 The front part of the tongue touches just below the upper teeth, and the sound comes out like a whistle. Sin. Next letter is Sod. Sod. This is a heavy letter, but it also has a whistling sound. Sod. Sod. Next letter is za, za, za. It also produces a whistling sound when pronounced. Za, za. So that's all for today. I hope you learned and understood correctly from today's video. We conclude today's video in this way. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel Qari for Kids. Thank you.